Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 16, plant adaptations. So plants have adaptations that help them to grow in different areas. Adaptations are special features that allow a plant or animal to live in a particular place or habitat. Read about these plant adaptations and identify the plants. The first one is bougainvillea has hooks to cling on the other plants and its leaves can drip tips to get rid of the rushing waters. That is bougainvillea. Okay. Second is dash plants require full sun exposure. Sunflower plants require full sun exposure and cannot grow in shaded environment. Sunlight adaptations appear within the head of the flower, which rotates or moves with the rising and setting of the sun. The third is the lotus is the plant. Its leaves are wide and disc shaped, which allows them to float on water. Their large surface area allows them to absorb a lot of sunlight. Fourth, cactus plants usually grow in dry desert areas. They have small and spiky leaves that reduce evaporation of water. It also prevents loss of water. It has a thick and juicy stem that stores water. Fifth one is coconut. Coconut plants grow in a coastal areas. Its fruits has a fibrous layer which helps it to float on water and get dispersed to far off places. The fruit is well protected by the hard covering. The scientific name of this plant is Mimosa pudica. Pudica means shy. When someone touches its leaves, the leaves fold inward and shut for few seconds. It is commonly called touch me not plant. Chapter 17, animal adaptations. Just like plants, animals also adapt to their habitat or environment. Animals depend on their physical features to help them obtain food, keep safe, build homes, and features to help them to obtain food, keep safe, build homes, and withstand weather. Read these adaptations and identify the animals. Dash can withstand extreme temperature, both high and low. Because of the fat stored in its two humps, it can go without food and water for 3 to 4 days. Bacterian camel. Okay. Second is penguins are the flightless bird but are excellent swimmers. They have webbed feet for powerful swimming. Their bodies are streamlined to help them swim in water. Third, when a frog spots a tasty meal, it flicks out its long, sticky tongue. The tongue catches the meal and pulls it back into its mouth. Fourth is zebras live in family groups. They have a stripes to recognize each other. If they would not live in groups, they would be weaker. Polar bears have white fur, actually transparent for camouflage in ice and snow. Their skin is black to absorb heat from the sun's rays and to help keep them warm. An elephant uses its trunk to drink water, gather food, and bathe itself. It uses its tusks to protect itself.